The old hockey stick graph shows atmospheric CO2 concentration over the last 800,000 years. It's never exceeded 300 parts per million before, but since the mid-1800s, it's begun a rapid increase that is currently a trend leading to an extinction level event. So what's been going on here? This closer look at more recent atmospheric CO2 concentration and emissions rates shows commercial activities creating CO2 as a byproduct beginning with the Industrial Revolution, thus leading to our increased atmospheric CO2 concentration. This is where we went wrong. Our commercial activity emits CO2 as a byproduct as people pay more and more for the products and services that produce CO2. This process, funded by the public to simply dump these gases into the atmosphere, was initiated here.
At the time, anyone could see the pollution coming from our new smokestacks, but it was much easier to ignore the problem. Most visible pollutants have now been eliminated from much of our society, leaving CO2 waste as our main problem. We figured we would just see what happened. What else could we have done? We were just happy to switch from whale oil to coal and then oil and gas. Fossil fuels have been our steady friend, providing us with heat, energy, and light to build our civilization.
This open cycle process relies on the biosphere to somehow deal with CO2 through processes like photosynthesis. It's no secret the biosphere is overwhelmed with our open cycle CO2 production.
I propose we close the waste CO2 cycle, thus ending man-made climate change.